Some of the impacts I've seen REAP have on our students would be our students who are having maybe a hard time with relationships that they have with each other. I've definitely seen those kind of come together, mend themselves with the help of REAP.
I've had relationships rebuilt because of even like the programs that they do. Some of my favorite moments, definitely the people that I've been around and the environment from REAP. I really appreciate how kind everybody is and how everybody believes in everybody. They don't leave people out and they think about everybody and they ask like where they originate from and who they are and what they like to do. They have definitely boosted my confidence a lot.
It made me like think differently about like stuff that's going on the outside. There'll be a situation like with like my family or my friends, and then like I can get another perspective.
It feels really good to be a part of the program because I feel like they're family to me. They really care about how I feel and they make sure that my grades are up, that I'm doing good at home. Personally and academically, they made me do good at school. I worked in here a lot. They showed me like I could really start a career. I was looking to start my own business. I really didn't think I could possibly do it, but then once I went to like Young Men of Purpose and stuff, they really showed me that I could do anything I put my mind to. And they really showed me the real me.
They helped me get my grades up, a few of my grades up. They were really supportive.
REAP has a great impact with the school, with the students. We can bring kids in here and they're able to talk about whatever situation is going on. Having it here is amazing. Kids love it. The kids love the workers, and being able to restore some of those broken relationships or friendships because REAP is able to walk them through, and everybody's here to be respectful.
The kids really benefit from all the time that they spend with them. Anytime we have a student who's maybe going through a hard time or is having trouble with different relationship building and stuff like that in the school, the REAP program just steps right in, takes kids in, and helps work them through whatever they're going through.
And I'm glad that KB and Ruth are here because they're here for us and they give us resources. They give us a quiet space to work in. They give us like snacks if we need it and stuff like that. So I'm really grateful for them. The way I would describe it is KB and Ruth are definitely family.
My relationship with them is definitely like a safe space. If I need to talk through anything, I always feel like I can come to them. And definitely like family members, I feel like I'm part of like a community here and I feel very safe here.
We have a good relationship because he showed me what it really is like to be in the real world. I told him about my personal life and he kept it like kind of like a secret. So he created a safe environment for me and it really feels good.
They feel like friends, but at the same time like family, like my second family, because they're really supportive, kind.
They're fantastic to work with and they're always lending a helping hand. They're so communicative, always know what's going on with them. They always are the first ones to reach out and communicate, and like I said, always willing to put in that extra step to help out in anything going on with the school.
Yeah, we have a great relationship. KB has my number, I have his. We'll text each other, we'll call each other if there's a situation.
Working with them and the students has been amazing. And then working with them and our administrators is also really great because sometimes that can be a difference, right? Like the way you're communicating with the student and you're getting along with them, but perhaps it's not going the same way with the administrators or the teachers. But they really both work well with like the whole group.
Before REAP, I was super like antisocial and I was an introvert. I didn't really like talking to people. Joining the REAP program, it really helped me boost my confidence and make me the outgoing person I am today.
How I was before I joined REAP, I was doubting myself of not being able to get my grades up. I was not confident in myself about school and speaking up, but they helped me a lot when I joined REAP. Before I was in REAP, I had a lot of kind of friendship problems and I couldn't understand people properly. And sometimes I would wind up being hurt from those. And now I feel like I can understand more people and get to know people from a different perspective.
They have a safe learning environment here. They got snacks for you if you want something to eat. If you want somebody to talk to, like they always there. After being a part of REAP, I saw my grades get better. So if I wasn't a part of REAP, I think like my attitude was way worse. I think my grades would be down a little bit more too. Like every time I come here, I always get my work done.
From the beginning of the year to now, they've come leaps and bounds in terms of something that might have set them off and started an altercation with another student. They're now able to take a step back and kind of think about what they need to do and what next steps are, and it's avoiding conflict altogether.
Let me tell you, when I see those students who are like signed up to go into that leadership program and they came like dressed to the nines to like fulfill like what they've been working on, and they looked so proud of themselves and we were proud of them, and it was so lovely, like seriously tear to the eye. If REAP wasn't here, I would miss it so much. It really provides a huge source of support for the staff and the students.
As school staff, we are stretched thin and have many duties and are often taken away from our responsibilities to cover in other places. And so relying on our community partners like REAP to help fill in that void has been really helpful in taking care of our youth. Having a space like REAP in our schools provides our students lots of things. It's a place where they can feel seen and represented, but also it offers an alternative working space. A lot of the times, a large classroom environment doesn't always work. If REAP were to be gone from our school and our school district, I think we would really miss them.
And I love these guys. Like, I don't know what I would do, honestly, if they weren't here.